Boy, did he.
Book is called Auto Mirrors. I have to find her over San Juan.
Okay.
I think it's a picture I can find.
Oh, there's some people down there.
Well, that was going down to the waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Oh, like white truck.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good.
Little waterfalls.
What, stop.
No, I'm thinking.
Yeah, what, you got a picture?
Thank you, thank you.
There's some hoodoos or stalagmites. No leftover from an avalanche here. This is September the 12th, 2019. Here's our road up ahead here. Got some rocks here. Yeah. Little washout there maybe. There's the road ahead. Back of us there.
Picture who said that?
Yeah, same here. Grand Central Station here now.
Mine's a two-door.
This is like ice road truckers in Bolivia.
Not Joan Bacall.
No, that was that was Lauren Bacall,
right,
but
right.
no, it wasn't her. She's the one who married Humphrey Bogart.
Right.
She's the one who said, if you need anything, just whistle. You know how to whistle. Put your lips together and blow. That was high stuff for back in those days.
That road goes up there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's some activity down there, some front end loader or whatever down there. There's that house way up there on the right. You can, maybe I'll stop a frame here and point it out to you if in post-production here, and I'll show you where it is up there. But we're jumping around right here. And there's a road down there. Stop. Yep.
Perfect.
Good thing I got my seatbelt on here. Make sure I do, yes. There's the road up ahead as we're going down. We're going to wind up way down there by that mine stuff. We just had a little momentary stop here. Still stopped in a Jeep here. But it's getting a little warmer now. It's a little bit nicer, so basking in the sun here.
Okay, are we good?
And there's the old mine stuff over there that you can see. We stopped for a second here. We're going to keep on moving here.
What was the name of this mine? This mill? Atlas. Okay.
This is the Atlas Mine and Mill here.
I'm off.
I looked that up on the internet then. Okay. Now we're back on the smooth road here. And this is the revenue mine?
Yeah, I think
That's the revenue mine. That looks like a drain off water from the mine or something there. Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine.
Okay, we're good. Thank you, Terry.
There you go.
We're good.
There's some water runoff there
Clean it
coming from somewhere. And looks like it's a plastic lined trough there or something. Maybe a filter down there. I guess so. So slanty house up there. Knocked over. Some has been house. Avalanche finally knocked it all over there. So and there's a little bridge here going up to the revenue mine, which is right here. Down over there from an avalanche there. Came from in back of me and went down through here. But it came from up there. That's what knocked down that house back there. And up high in those mountains. I'm good. We're going to go underneath of that overhang right over there where the rocks are here.
Okay, this is good. Thank you. Let's see what we got. Alright, I was just here to wait for Yes, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
Auto pendulum.
Yeah. Thank you. That was the cheapest, perfect shot. I was guessing about it. Someone said action shot. I don't know who. No charge.
We got to stop for another vehicle coming up. Oh, you hear all these. You hear all these bugs sliding around. That's what that chipping. Oh, there's little birds up there too. Lots of them. One of the mining carts, the old ones here, that like the engine to bring stuff in and out of the mine. And then up here, there's this old original
that
house
road
here.
Imaging Pass
Just up
that we saw
here.
up there. Take that road and
So-
follow it through the woods. It goes right along the edge of that cliff right there.
And this is the only
You just
house
get out and
left
just look right over
from
that
the whole complex here.
couple of houses.
This was the main house.
Nice of
Yeah,
you.
and here's the mine right
We've
here.
got 30 minutes we got to get back to Ouray.
All right.
We're gonna go, if you need to
Then
stop.
we went up straight.
Now we're heading back to Ouray. On our way back, lunch is not far off. I don't know the time. Time is 11:15, so we have a little time left before lunch because we're going to lunch in Bridgeway. And then we're going to ride the gooses or the geese after lunch.
There's a house I was talking about. Now you know there's a house.
Yeah, there's a house way down there, and there's some other vehicles coming up the road there that you can see. There we go, looking down there.
Yeah.
This is the road here. Okay, I'm good.
Tally ho. Yeah.
Yeah, give me a second.
Yep, we're good.
Doing stands and target people climbing rocks.